Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a powerful tool that can help you turn your dreams into reality, that is, vision boards. Whether you've heard about them or this is your first time, stick around, because I'm going to show you why creating one could be the key to achieving your goals. Let's dive into the science for a second. Have you ever heard of the term visualization? It's the practice of mentally picturing your goals or outcomes. And research shows that when you regularly visualize something, your brain can't always tell the difference between what's imagined and what's real. That's because visualization activates the same neural pathways as actually doing the task. Now, a vision board takes this a step further. When you see your goals daily, whether it's pictures of the dream job, the fit and healthy you, or the places you want to travel, it keeps your mind focused and reminds you of where you want to go. It's a constant source of inspiration. And the best part? It makes your goals feel real. Instead of just abstract ideas floating around in your head, they're right there in front of you. This helps you stay motivated and committed, especially on those tough days. Part 3. How to create your own vision board. Host. Alright, so how do you create a vision board? It's actually super easy. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Host, voiceover. First, grab some old magazines, print out pictures from the internet, or use any visual material that resonates with you. Look for images and words that represent your goals, whether they're personal, professional, financial, or health-related. Host, voiceover. Next, organize them on your board in a way that feels right to you. You might have a section for career goals, another for relationships, and one for personal growth. Part 4. Making it work for you. Host. Once your board is complete, put it somewhere you'll see it every day. Above your desk, on your bedroom wall, or even as the background on your phone or computer. Host, voiceover. This daily visual reminder will help keep you focused on your path, even when distractions come up. It's a powerful motivator because it constantly aligns your subconscious mind with your goals. Part 5. Tips for success. Host. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make your vision board really work for you. Host. 1. Be specific with your goals. Don't just aim for success, define what that looks like for you. Host. 2. Add timelines. When do you want to achieve these goals? A year? 5 years? Host. 3. Review it often. Take time to reflect on your board and adjust it as your goals evolve. Host. Smiling. Remember, a vision board is a tool. It doesn't guarantee success, but it helps focus your energy, keeps you inspired, and reminds you of your why. Closing, call to action. Host. So if you haven't already, start creating your own vision board. It's a fun, creative process, and you'll be amazed at how much it can boost your motivation and clarity. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal growth and achieving your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more inspiring content.